Start at 3 inches at the top. Bust line 9.5 my standard. Upper waist 14.1/2 my standard. Lower waistline 15.1/2 my standard. Square it to the other side. 1/2 of bust measurementless 1/2 inch allowance. For bust and 2 inches allowance for the boning. Measure 2.5 inches down. Waistline measurement. Plus 1 inch for the dart and no allowance for sewing because of this is scuba stretch cloth. But since we have boning, add 1/2 inch each boning. Same with the under waistline because the style. 1/4 waistline measurement and the dart 1 inch, plus first boning. Second boning. Third boning. But since we add the dart with the waistline measurement, we will take off the third boning allowance, 1/2 of bust point. Get the straight line, then slide 1 inch and draw a straight line. Measure for inches wide for bust dart opening to the top. Then draw the lines. From waistline 5 inches down. Then draw the boning section. Measure each distance with 1/2 inch. Second boning markings. From bust point measure 3 inches. The bust line up is 2 inches up my standard for tube. Draw the third boning line from the top of bust cut, down to 3 inches down to the end of the blouse. Fourth boning markings is in the end of the bust line. Connect all the side markings. A bit of a curve this side. Each boning section 1/4 each side, except the bust line section because of the dart. First boning section is in the middle of center and bust point. Observe the line connection is to the left half because of the dart is already added to the measurements. The opening of the dart is wider because from the bust point. Up is higher 6.5. Lower line is front and the top is for the back. Upon sewing, the dart boning section is along the dart line. The second boning section. Review all the measurements getting ready for cutting. To cut, I never put zipper allowance at the back because usually I just put the section of stick bone and the front is for the two boning section, occupied for zipper allowance. Time to cut the pattern. Cut the front on lower side. Then cut the armhole. Cut the lower side of the back. Then all through the side. Secure the pattern with pins for any time you lift it. It's stay right measurement each section of bone sticks. Copy the boning markings for easy way transferring. The boning line. Cut the upper part of the back side. Draw the line of deboning partition for easy way sewing. Same way to the other side. The advantages of drawing the bonding partition, it will be easier when we do sewing later. If this video gives a value to you, I appreciate it if you do a thumbs up and do a comment and share to reach many people to give them ideas and to help me as well to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.